it's me again, and well, me and Fart just got new bikes, and let's watch us ride them.
Yeah, let's go!
Wait, how do you ride a bike? This is annoying!
I think it's like this. You put your butt here.
Jackie! Jackie!
Jackie!
Jackie!
Jackie! I'm riding! I'm riding! Watch me do a wheelie! Ready? I'm gonna jump this!
Oh, Fart, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you...
Jackie!
Jackie!
I think I'm okay.
Jackie. Oh my God.
We raise these things.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Let's try it. Oh my God. What does this thing do? Let's see if I can ride with it. Wow! It's just like you run!
It's hard like this.
Did I mention these are our first bikes? Well, not really.
Getting the hang of it.
Okay. How about we go off like curves?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That was really good. Watch this. Maybe let's jump on it. Look.
I'm trying it again. Watch it.
Yeah. Bart! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Stupid bug. Don't get in my mouth again. I think my bike is broken. Look. It doesn't have a... Where is the unicorn? I told them to put a unicorn on it. Where's my flower? Where's my butt? Where's my butt? Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Thank you. You okay? You know what? I may as well just use it. Oh my God.